This is the slide of uterus. The identifying features of the uterus are it consists of three layers. Number one, inner endometrial layer, middle myometrial layer, and outer perimetrial layer. Inner endometrial layer or endometrium, it is lined by simple columnar cells, and in the stroma there are numerous uterine glands and spiral arteries are present. The middle layer, that is myometrium, it consists of smooth muscle cell layers, and the outer perimetrium, it is made up of connective tissue covering including blood vessels. So uterus has three layers. Inner layer is endometrium, middle is myometrium, and outer is perimetrium. In this slide, it is 10x magnification. You are able to see all three layers. This slide belongs to lower mammal. Okay, so small uterus is there and you can see all the three layers. Under the influence of hormones, this endometrial this endometrium, it shows some characteristic features by which you can identify the phase of the uterus, whether it is in proliferative phase, or it is in secretory phase, or it is in menstrual phase. So I will tell you one by one. After menstruation, the first stage is proliferative stage. In this stage, what happens? This endometrium. Okay, so first of all of you should know this endometrium, it consists of two parts. The part that lies towards the base is the stratum basal, and the part that lies towards the surface is stratum superficialis. This stratum superficialis is also called as stratum functionalis. So in menstruation, this superficial part, okay, this part is set off, and this basal part, it remains intact. So in the proliferative stage of the uterus, you can see the uterine glands, they are proliferating and gradually they are increasing in their number and as well as in size. Okay, but in this stage they are not tortuous. Okay, they are not spiral. This is another slide, and that belongs to human being. Okay, here you can see the endometrium, this is the lining epithelium, and these are the uterine glands. So these uterine glands, they are not tortuous or spiral in shape, so it is proliferative phase of the uterus. Again we have another slide. In this slide also you can see this is endometrial lining. Okay, and these are the uterine glands, and this is the basal part of the endometrium. Okay, here also you can see the uterine glands, they are enlarging, but they are not tortuous or spiral. Okay, so this slide also belongs to proliferative phase. This is another slide. In this slide, this is the lining epithelium of the uterus, that is the endometrium. This is endometrium. Okay, and towards this side is the myometrium. So in this endometrium, you can see now the uterine glands, they are tortuous. Okay, you can see the tortuous uterine glands, spiral in shape. Okay, just like a tooth of a saw. So this slide belongs to secretory phase or luteal phase. In this slide, the uterine glands, they become tortuous, enlarged in size, okay, just like tooth of a saw. In this slide also, this is 10x magnification. You are able to see only one portion of a uterus, okay. So this slide also belongs to human being. Again, for better view, I am showing you in this slide that belongs to lower mammal. Here you can see all the three layers, that is the endometrium, myometrium and perimetrium. So the main difference is in the endometrium, okay. In the proliferative phase, these uterine glands, they are present in the endometrium and they are proliferating, but they are not tortuous, okay. And in the secretory phase or in luteal phase, they becomes enlarged and they become tortuous, just like tooth of a saw. And in menstrual phase, what happens, this superficial part, it gets set off, okay, and this basal part remains intact. And in these degenerating or disintegrating uterine glands, some blood clots may also be present. So that is the menstrual phase of the uterus.